start the tour a little bit different. Which is cute little puppy. Alright. So we arrived at this destination about an hour ago. Just got done with putting up the dirty clothes that we trekked in today into the washer at the hotel where we're staying in this village. I don't probably know how to pronounce the name. Hi, this dog actually met us. Hi. Met us at the entrance. Super cute dog. Hi. So I'll have the name, of course, in the title, and also the description. Hold on. I can't see it from here, but this is where we're staying for the night. We decided to stay at this spot here. It's a hotel in this small village. It's a private room with shared bathrooms, and it's costing us roughly 80 gel each, so 160 gel total. Wi-Fi, I have Wi-Fi even though we're so far out here. I do a quick tour of the room and of the hotel itself, maybe the Dinan Hall and such. But here's the name of the hotel: Family Hotel Ucha Nino. That's the sign. Family Hotel. I don't know if you can see it. Ucha Nino. But anyhow, 160 gel includes a private room, shared bath, dinner, which will be served at 7 this evening, and lunch for tomorrow, and breakfast will be served at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we just entered the courtyard area. Hi, babes. She's focused. We had to switch rooms, and this room is a lot better than the room before. It's warm on this side. Let me check out this spot. Then I'll show you the room. Much better views. Close that window. That's that spot. And then I'll go back into our room so I can finish the tour. So from here, you can look out there. If you can see all of this, you can see the sun and the stairs where I was earlier. It's beautiful, much better. Same price, different room. We're in the other building. Right, and you can actually just chill on this bed right here and just look out through that window. Probably gonna do that in just a sec. Okay, so I got some chairs in the hallway. Stuffed toys, I'll get that. Chair right in the hallway, massive. And this is our room right here. Room number 17, much bigger, pretty much the same price. Check that out. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Yeah, it's much warmer. Same price. The lighting is not the best, but you see what I'm talking about. Much better. Massive bed. This is what size bed is this, hon? Queen, king. It's a king. It's definitely a king. There's no guessing about that. Look, I'm on the other. Whoa, look at this armoire. I think that's what you call it. Look how massive that thing is. So much space. Okay. I'm on the other side of the room. There's the bed. Right? Lighting's not the best, but it is what it is. Right? And that's it. Massive rug. Right? Like the ceilings. So 160 gel. Just got done with dinner, by the way. Dinner was delicious. Looking forward to breakfast. Got some French doors. Bam. Just close the door. Got done with dinner. Dinner was delicious. Oh my goodness, delicious. Alright, so yeah, 100 a chair to chill. Here's unpacking. and I recorded. Massive rug. Massive bed. And the bed feels comfortable. So, that's really good. Alrighty, that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Read a good book. Hello, hi. Thank you. Right? And we also have an outdoor space down here. And then after well, okay, let's do the outdoor space. Actually, no, I changed my mind. Let's do the restaurant. Dining area. I say restaurant. So, right now, fortunate enough, I'm so happy that they have a washer that's accessible to the guests so we can wash out dirty clothes. Alright. So, this is the other side of the hotel. Alright. And then here we go with the Dinan Hall. It's really cool. It's a piano. Oh, I almost hit my head. Definitely not built for someone like myself that's 6 feet 4 inches. Right? So, that's animal skins. Mounted. Is that a deer antler? I don't know. Could be. Alright, so let's go do a quick walkthrough. It's a pretty big dining hall. Like I said, dinner for us starts at 7:30, so we're maybe an hour away from. Look at this place. I'm excited to see what they service. Super excited. After a long day, 8 hours hiking, 16.5 kilometers, 10.5 miles. It's really nice to come and find a place where you can rest your head, unpack, take a warm shower, and then enjoy some Georgian food. Alright, so I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going back through the restaurant. Going back through the restaurant. Okay. I'll check that out so we can see. True Georgian culture. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. And the piano. Going back outside the courtyard, right? Okay. Oh, let's go take a look in the shop. It was closed, so let's take a quick glance in the shop. Oh, look at that. So they've got wine. They definitely have cha-cha, Pringles, snacks. I bought myself a beer. I haven't popped it open yet. The beer cost me right at $6 gel. So that was roughly probably $2 US. Alright, so let's go down here. And I can end the tour. Alright, so what is this stuff here? This is another little room. Not sure what that is, but so we're here. There's a garden area. And check this out, pretty nice. Over there it's like a day bed, but it's like held up with chains, so it's pretty cool. We were just up there. I was just up there. Right? Outdoor space. And so this is really nice, considering where we are. Yeah, look at where we are. It's another little sitting area. Right? My tours tend to be really long, not the 3-minute tours, because I want to show you everything, include everything, and not miss anything. And so I always do that. Plus it's unfiltered. So, surrounded by nature. Yeah. Yeah. So if you're doing this tea house trek, then I'd recommend this spot. If you just want to get off the beaten path and come out here, I'd recommend this spot. So far, customer service has been phenomenal. Alright, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Seriously. And drop me some comments. Let me know if you like this video. You know? Alright, laters. Peace, love, and be good to each other. No, I'm just kidding. Take care. Until next time. Bye.